You might heard this quote that whatever a man is thinking in his mind, he's getting those results or those scenes in reality in his life. So this is truly, like, really important thing. Whatever we are thinking in our mind, we are attracting all those things. We are seeing those results in our real life. So if you are not thinking in English, how can you speak in English in a better way? Maybe as a beginner A1 level of speaker, if you are, you can easily talk in English, but it's not gonna happen if you want to work in English environment, or if you want to talk to native speakers. That time you have to think in English. So this is a video in which I will share with you my things, like what I did to speak this language, what I did to think in English. And as well as I also share with you some points that people are saying, people are talking about, and they really helped them, and also helping them. But I didn't try those things. But also I will share with you my thing, like what I did. And also all those peoples are, all the people are saying mistakes will be always there. So don't be like, oh, I'm a great, I want to be a great. No, no, you cannot be a great speaker within some time. So it takes time. Let's dive into this topic. So number one thing is, like, I recently, like, I was watching a lot of content. I am watching a lot of content, and in those content people are sharing this thing that if you want to think in English, you have to travel the world, you have to being in native speakers environment. So but if you are living in India, or you cannot, lot of people, majority of the learners, they cannot afford to travel the world or abroad. Okay, so this thing is very, like, not suitable for us, or it's totally waste of time, I would say. Like, I'm talking about this. So number one thing was travel the world, but it's not sufficient, it's not suitable for us. Number second thing is buy a English book and speak that book out loud. I know it's very basic, you might already heard about it, but I think this is a really helping, helping thing, and it can help you with your English as well, to think in English. Because whatever you are consuming in your mind, you will speak those things, you will see those things in your real life. So nowadays, really, like, I also do this thing. So nowadays I'm reading this book called Attitude is Everything, and I already have read this book, I think 2 3 times, and I'm reading again and again this book out loud. Every single day I'm reading 2 lessons of this book, okay, out loud. So my vocals are also practicing, I'm practicing my vocals as well. So that's really helping me, helped me, and helping me as well. Third thing, if I tell you, you can watch English content. Like, if you are watching right now, you are watching me, that's a great thing. You have to watch only English content. Stop watching Hindi content or any other languages content. Okay, so that thing. And the next thing is, yeah, this is really important. Write down your daily routine, whatever you are doing throughout the day, you can write that down general. So that time, you are immersing in this act, in this, English, in English, you are immersing in your English, and it will give you the enormous effect or results, I would say. So let's jump into the favorite one, and that's why I'm making this video. This, for this point, the last point is, I want to tell you, this point really help you. So if you are watching till now, you are a great person and you have the patience. Definitely you will achieve this fluency for sure. Because a lot of people, they just tap on a video, and if they don't find that video very suitable in the beginning, that time they just skip that video. But this is, here's the thing, like, end of the activity or end of the day, we realize that this thing is really helped me. Without spending time with that, with a particular thing, we cannot judge that thing. So if you are watching till now, really means a lot to me. And also, you are a great person, you will definitely achieve the success. The last point is, fake it until make it. This quote, you might heard this quote, and this quote is really helped me. And I tried, this is the only thing that I tried. When I started that time, I was assuming myself, I was you know, perceiving myself as a English speaker. Literally, like I'm not lying you. This is the fact. So when I started that time, I was perceiving myself like I am not from India. I'm from somewhere else. I'm from New York City. Cause my like I was watching content of Gary Vaynerchuk. Gary V is a entrepreneur from New York City. So I was just perceiving myself like yes I'm working with Gary and I'm living in New York City and I'm doing this thing. What a lot of things like I was assuming myself like okay I'm a native speaker. I'm living in among native speakers. Perceiving yourself or assuming yourself can really help you, because that time you are faking your mind. You are telling your mind that no, I'm not from somewhere where people are not talking in English. I'm from where their people are talking in English and my whole life is in English. So that time your mind will start thinking in English. And I know being a beginner, it would really really hard for you. But if you will do this, definitely you will achieve this thing. So the main thing is just start thinking in English. Assume yourself that you are not from here, you are from somewhere else. And by the time you will easily, you will easily manage this thing. You will easily start perceiving yourself like okay, yes, I'm not from here, I'm somewhere else. And it will really enough like really fun for you. And also you can easily start thinking in English. I know it takes time, but if you will do this for your next 7 days or just 10 days, definitely in 10 days you will start thinking in English. Whatever you are doing, let's suppose like you assuming yourself like yes, I'm from New York City, I'm from somewhere else, like somewhere foreign country from. So you start seeing all the things, looking at things in a different way. Okay, this mic, yeah, even your accent will be different. So I tried this thing and this really helped me, and I want you to do this thing. I'm begging you guys, like just try this thing. You definitely will achieve good thing in your English. Okay, in the beginning of this video, I shared with you all the basic things, like you can travel the world, you can read a book, you can write down all things. But the last one was really important. We have to fake our mind that no, I'm not a Hindi speaker, or I'm not a this guy, I'm a different person, I'm this. And if you can do, you should try visualization as well. I already shared this thing, but visualization really helped me. And if you will visualize yourself like a native speakers as well, as well as faking yourself like living the life like a native speaker, so both things will help you a lot. Okay, and if you know what, like if you're watching till now and you might thinking ki okay, my electricity went off, I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye. And I was just telling you, like if you have any doubts, questions, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll really help you.